Indulge in the rich heritage of Turkish coffee making with the Demmex Handmade Hammered Copper Coffee Pot, a masterpiece meticulously crafted in Gaziantep City, Turkey. Steeped in a century of copper industry expertise, this coffee pot epitomizes tradition, quality, and authenticity, making it the perfect addition to your kitchen. Handmade with love and skill, the Demmex Copper Coffee Pot showcases the renowned Turkish artistry that has been passed down through generations. Each pot is meticulously hammered and shaped by experienced craftsmen, ensuring that every piece is unique and carries the mark of true craftsmanship. At the heart of this exceptional coffee pot lies the famous Turkish copper, which forms the body of the pot. Solid and 2 millimeters thick, this copper marvel is not lacquered, allowing it to develop a natural patina over time, adding character and charm to your coffee ritual. The interior is thoughtfully lined with food-safe and lead-free tin, ensuring your coffee remains pure and safe for consumption. Unlike thin imitations commonly found on the market, the Demmex Copper Coffee Pot boasts maximum durability. With its robust construction, this pot is built to withstand the test of time and serve as a cherished heirloom, passing on the joy of coffee making to future generations. Every detail of the Demmex Copper Coffee Pot speaks of artistry and pride. From the beautifully hammered texture to the elegantly crafted wooden pot spoon, this pot is a visual delight that enhances the overall coffee drinking experience. With a capacity of 9 Oz, this coffee pot is ideal for serving up to 3 people. Gather around, share stories, and savor the delectable aroma of freshly brewed Turkish coffee, just as it has been enjoyed for centuries. Demmex stands behind the authenticity of its copper products with confidence. For your peace of mind, they offer a unique authenticity test. Upon receiving your pot, should you have any doubts about its genuineness, you can perform a simple test by drilling a hole on the pot's body. Once you see the unmistakable 2 millimeters thick copper along the hole, your assurance is sealed. Rest assured that Demmex will replace the pot immediately if needed, ensuring your satisfaction. Unleash the magic of Turkish coffee making in your own home with the Demmex Handmade Hammered Copper Coffee Pot. Experience the legacy of centuries-old craftsmanship and embark on a journey of delightful coffee moments that will be cherished for a lifetime.